Welcome to the new Bradley smoker port covers. You've got your Bradley smoker. You'll notice on the side here where you take off your element, you've got the port entry for that element, where the beautiful smoke goes inside. When you're done though, you usually take that port element off. And we've got these wonderful magnets that now just quickly slide on and protect that hole from any animals or things getting inside. Along the back here, you've got the port covers for the electrical outlets back here and the thermostat outlet. That'll keep from corrosion from getting in or any nasty bugs. They just screw onto that bottom screw on both sides so you don't lose them. Pop them in, and now the back of your smoker is protected same way as your front of your smoker. You can find the Bradley port covers at bradleysmoker.com.